Good morning, how can I help you? Good morning, how can I help you? Good morning, how can I help you?
I want to deposit some money. I want to deposit some money. I want to deposit some money.
Sure, please fill this deposit slip. Sure, please fill this deposit slip. Sure, please fill this deposit slip.
Okay, I will do that. Okay, I will do that. Okay, I will do that.
Write your name and account number here. Write your name and account number here. Write your name and account number here.
Like this? Like this? Like this?
Yes, that is correct. Yes, that is correct. Yes, that is correct.
Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Please give me the cash to deposit. Please give me the cash to deposit. Please give me the cash to deposit. Here is the money. Here is the money. Here is the money. I am counting it now. I am counting it now. I am counting it now. Check carefully. Check carefully. Check carefully. Your deposit is complete. Your deposit is complete. Your deposit is complete.
Can I get a receipt? Can I get a receipt? Can I get a receipt?
Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hello, how can I help you today? Hello, how can I help you today? Hello, how can I help you today?
I want to withdraw money. I want to withdraw money. I want to withdraw money.
Please fill this withdrawal form. Please fill this withdrawal form. Please fill this withdrawal form.
Okay, I understand. Okay, I understand. Okay, I understand.
Please show your ID card. Please show your ID card. Please show your ID card.
Here is my ID. Here is my ID. Here is my ID.
Thank you, everything looks fine. Thank you, everything looks fine. Thank you, everything looks fine.
That was quick. That was quick. That was quick.
How much would you like to withdraw? How much would you like to withdraw? How much would you like to withdraw?
I want £200. I want £200. I want £200.
Please wait a moment. Please wait a moment. Please wait a moment.
Okay, I will wait. Okay, I will wait. Okay, I will wait.
Here is your cash. Here is your cash. Here is your cash.
Let me count it. Let me count it. Let me count it.
Please check and confirm. Please check and confirm. Please check and confirm.
Yes, it is correct. Yes, it is correct. Yes, it is correct.
Is there anything else I can help you with? Is there anything else I can help you with? Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you.
You are welcome anytime. You are welcome anytime. You are welcome anytime.
Your service is very good. Your service is very good. Your service is very good. Banking is easy when we understand the process. Banking is easy when we understand the process. Banking is easy when we understand the process.
We are always here to help. We are always here to help. We are always here to help.
Saving and managing money is important. Saving and managing money is important. Saving and managing money is important.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and follow for more content. Your support helps us create more informative and engaging videos.